Here I have Motorola Moto G9 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to insert a SIM card and SD card into this device. So first of all, you'll need to take your device and find this card's slot here on the right border of your device. You will also need this kind of tool to pull out this slot like this, and you just have to put SD card here and put SIM card here, and then you just place it here, and that's it. As you can see, here you can see that it reads SD card, and here you can see also that it reads SIM card. Here it is, SIM slot 1. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.